Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Decor Puzzle 2.0, the haven where innovation meets comfort and style, melding seamlessly to create the perfect sanctuary right in your home. Today, we embark on a voyage to explore the epitome of tranquility and sophistication modern bedroom designs. From the awe-inspiring to the minimalist, we have curated an eclectic collection that caters to every taste and lifestyle. So, buckle up and get ready to be inspired to revamp your own personal oasis. In the bustling modern world, minimalism serves as a breath of fresh air, encouraging a serene and decluttered space. The minimalistic bedroom design is an epitome of less is more, focusing on functionality without compromising on style. Picture this: sleek furniture, neutral color palettes, and ample space to breathe and unwind, creating a perfect sanctuary for peace and relaxation. In the realm of home decor and design, the bedroom remains a personal sanctuary, a place where styles meet comfort and function harmonizes with aesthetics. In today's video, we invite you to explore the pinnacle of contemporary bedroom design trends that encapsulate not just creativity but innovation as well. Join us as we venture into spaces where dreams are cradled in the lap of luxury and modernity. Gone are the days when storage solutions were mere afterthoughts. In contemporary bedrooms, storage blends seamlessly with design, boasting innovative solutions that are both aesthetically pleasing and utilitarian. From underbed storage compartments to built-in wardrobes and floating shelves, modern design paves the way for a clutter-free and organized haven. The transition from conventional to contemporary design doesn't just signify a change in elements, it's a journey towards creating a space that resonates with your inner self. It's a canvas that portrays your personality, embroidered with threads of sophistication and modern trends. Injecting personality into modern bedrooms is the hallmark of contemporary design. And what better way to do this than with statement pieces that resonate with your personal style? Be it an abstract piece of art adorning the walls, a bold headboard that becomes the focal point, or a unique lighting fixture casting warm, inviting glows, these elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also create a room that tells a story. From the tranquil corners of minimalism, we steer towards the vibrant and eclectic world of bohemian-style bedrooms, a space that defies rules, embracing a rich and varied palette of colors and textures. Imagine a room festooned with vibrant fabrics, antique furniture, and an array of indoor plants, cultivating an atmosphere of creativity and free-spirited joy. Here, every element tells a story, a narrative of adventure and unrestrained creativity. The modern bedroom extends an invitation to nature, fostering a seamless connection that nurtures and rejuvenates. Imagine waking up to the soothing hues of nature, with large windows ushering in natural light and offering breathtaking views. Incorporate elements like indoor plants, natural materials, and earthy palettes to foster a harmonious balance between indoor and outdoor spaces. Embarking further, we stumble upon the raw and rustic landscapes of industrial-style bedrooms. A realm where the old world meets the new, in a harmonious blend of exposed brick walls, steel beams, and open spaces. Here, the rugged meets the refined, crafting a space that is unapologetically authentic and grounded. This design genre invites you to embrace the unfinished, the raw, offering a unique blend of vintage charm and modern sophistication. In this digital era, technology has found a subtle yet significant place in modern bedroom designs. From smart lighting systems that adapt to your mood to state-of-the-art entertainment setups, technology integration is all about enhancing comfort and convenience. Embrace the future with bedrooms that are not just aesthetically captivating but are also equipped with the latest technological advancements. As we near the climax of our journey, we step into the regal corridors of modern luxe bedrooms. A world where opulence meets modernity, crafting spaces that are nothing short of a visual retreat. Picture a room adorned with plush textiles, glittering metallic accents, and sleek furniture, creating an atmosphere that breathes luxury and grandeur. Here, every detail is a testament to fine craftsmanship and luxury, offering an oasis of comfort and style. As we draw to a close on this enlightening journey through the realm of modern bedroom designs, we hope that you are filled with inspiration and eagerness to transform your own personal space into a sanctuary that resonates with style, comfort, and modernity. Remember, the modern bedroom is not just a space to rest, but a reflection of your personality, a place where dreams are woven and mornings are welcomed with joy. In this sanctuary, where dreams take flight, and a new beginning unfolds each day, let your personal style echo in every corner. After all, the bedroom isn't just a space to retire, it's a canvas where dreams, comfort, and style amalgamate, crafting a narrative that is as unique as you are. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found inspiration in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more curated content just like this. Until next time, happy decorating!